Are you wondering who to call for water heater repair? Trusted Plumbing and Heating is your top choice for expert water heater service across King and Pierce counties. As a family owned, local company serving the community for over 40 years, we pride ourselves on being your trusted plumbing experts. When you experience problems with your water heater, including leaks, loss of hot water, odd noises, or rusty water, you need a reliable plumber who can respond fast. That's why we offer same day service, so you're never left waiting for help with your hot water heater or tankless water heater. Our plumbers are fully licensed and insured, guaranteeing you receive professional, safe, and high quality repairs every time. We believe in transparent pricing, providing clear quotes with no hidden fees, and always offering honest recommendations for every water heater repair, maintenance, or replacement. Our team is ready to handle any issue, whether you're a homeowner, a renter, or a business owner. And we're experienced with all water heater types, including traditional and tankless systems. Trusted Plumbing and Heating proudly serves residential and commercial customers in Renton, Seattle, Tacoma, Kent, and the surrounding cities. If your water heater is acting up, don't wait. Contact us to get immediate, dependable water heater repair. With Trusted Plumbing and Heating, you can count on friendly service, expert solutions, and a team that treats your home like our own. Call today and let us show you why we're the company trusted for water heater repair.